Imagine a world where you can instantly turn your ideas into professional photos. Welcome to the new era of photography. With the power of GPT-4 and Midjourney V5, you can create stunning photorealistic images of anything in just seconds. Let me show you how you can combine these two AI tools to breathe life into your imagination. The new version of Midjourney V5 is capable of creating breathtaking photorealistic images if you have high-quality prompts. The best place to get them is GPT-4, but first you need to prime it. GPT-4 needs to get information about Midjourney and how it works. On Midjourney's official website, you can find all the needed info. Just go to Get Started and Quick Start, and then User Guide. Here you can copy info about the new version, parameters, and compatibility. I added this part here when prompting GPT-4. This is for your information. Don't respond, just acknowledge with acknowledged, to make sure it doesn't respond to it and just acknowledges it. Now, GPT-4 has a good understanding of Midjourney. The next step is to provide prompt examples to train it to create similar ones. So I just picked some nice images from Midjourney and copied their prompts. I focused on photorealistic images, as AI photography is what we want to explore in this video. I picked a total of 16 prompts that I provided to GPT-4. After this, GPT-4 is ready to start generating prompts. Now is the fun part. I used this prompt to turn GPT-4 into my personal Midjourney assistant. Now I would like you to take on the role of a professional photographer. Please utilize rich and descriptive language to detail your photo prompts, including camera setups. While drawing inspiration from the formatting of the example prompts, please avoid copying them directly and instead utilize the same format. For the first prompt, I've chosen Pale Angel Princess. GPT-4 generated quite an impressive prompt, full of descriptive language. Now, let's test it out in Discord. We have Midjourney V5 selected here, so let's go. Here is the result, and it's beautiful. All 4 images look amazing, just incredible. The forest in the background is great too. Let's explore how well GPT-4 and Midjourney can express emotions in photos. Here, we have a princess screaming. And it's amazing, raw emotion. There is an insane amount of detail too. It looks like a scene from a movie, full of emotion. In this example, we have a screaming supermodel. Wow, I'm shocked by the quality of these images. Look at that. Okay, enough screams. Let's look at pleasant emotions, such as intense joy in this example. When I look at it, it makes me feel the emotion the same way it would if it were a real photo. Wow, this is very powerful. Heads down, Midjourney. Let's continue with something full of action, like Amazons charging into battle. Again, the prompt generated by GPT-4 looks very good, so let's try it out. Well, this is a nice action-packed scene. A lot is going on there, and it looks great. There are some weird details, but overall it's pretty impressive. Now, let's try something colorful and fun, like an 80s swimwear photoshoot. Look at that! Pretty amazing, right? It could easily be on the cover of some 80s magazine. Here, we have a portrait of a swimwear model. And apart from the first one, which is in some weird yoga-like position, they all look incredible, very realistic, like a real human. Next one, a young Greek goddess charging into battle. Wow, I'm really amazed by GPT-4's ability to masterfully craft these prompts. It's a nice read. The image from Midjourney is even better. A truly stunning, photorealistic image. That's exactly how I imagine a goddess charging into battle. The one on the right has 3 hands though, but hey, it's a goddess, right? Let's try something with a little bit more nature in it, like medieval girl hiking. Again, the result looks beautiful, like a scene from a movie. I love everything here. The girl, the environment, the lightning and the forest. If you ever wondered how a female cyborg fashion model would look, I've got you covered. GPT-4 created a great prompt for this one. And look at the images Midjourney created. Impressive. If you are a fan of macro photography, you are going to enjoy this one. A tiny, colorful mushroom. If someone showed me this picture and didn't tell me it was AI generated, I wouldn't guess it. Beautiful. Let's try some other, more abstract ideas. Like AI creating paradise. These images are really interesting, especially the fact that there are no humans in them. Is this how AI imagines paradise? A world without humans. Okay, let's not dive too deep into philosophical questions here. The images are nice, and even though this AI food looks kinda weird, it's good, it's nice. What about Limitless Businessman? Well, I was hoping for more Limitless movie-like images, but these are good nonetheless. They look like real photos indeed. The next one is a bioluminescent house. I was hoping for more bioluminescence here, but it's not bad at all. There is nice light there and a beautiful sky. Let's continue with an underwater car. The results are great. It really looks like a photo taken underwater. I could do this all day, it's a lot of fun. Look at this, it was supposed to be a unicorn. But let's face it, it's just a horse with a spiky hairstyle in the fourth picture. But it looks beautiful. Look at the lights, the flowers and the overall scenery. If you want to try this, you can prime GPT-4 for Midjourney prompts as I showed you. But you can also try using the prompt in the description of this video. It's a distillation of what I've been doing here. And it should provide you with some really nice images. Just change the subject in the prompt for what you want. And let GPT create a prompt for you. Then use the prompt in Midjourney and get ready for some stunning AI images. I can't help myself, I really love how these two AIs, GPT-4 and Midjourney, work together. But let's address the elephant in the room. They are not perfect. You won't always get the result you want on the first try. Sometimes you have to experiment a little bit, change prompts to get really good results. But it's GPT-4 and Midjourney V5. Imagine what will come in a year or two. It's going to be really exciting. Thanks for watching and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. If you are excited about the future of AI, definitely watch this video about groundbreaking 3D AI backed by Steven Spielberg himself. It's going to change video making forever.